Okay guys, Cardi back again guys. A testing video of this Eminence guys, 18-inch. Yes, I'm gonna do some other testing. This is the one guys. You guys remember this one guys, yes? Oh come on. Let's get the serial number guys. Yeah, it's upside down, but it's the same J7011, and at the bottom it says 18390. So this is the testing video of it guys. So see if I find a YouTube non-copyright stuff that they say they have here, which I don't too trust, but yeah, see what I find. Let's see what this one has to say. Let's try another one, so non-copyright. We'll see how it goes. So this is a church. It's a church speaker, so yeah, we need loudness and stuff like that. Yeah, I didn't put a lot of bass on it, so you know. And this is just a testing, you know. I don't want to do all that. I guess I'm gonna have to roll the speaker. Yeah. So now a little stick here, guys. A selfie stick or whatever they want to call it. But yeah, feels good, guys. Sounds good. And I told you I get the Recon kit from reconkit.com. Yeah, so just Google it on reconkit.com. Yeah, I think they're based in New York. Yeah, they ship it out to you real fast, you know. They ship things fast, and they have a lot of stuff. We'll check them out, guys. But you know, that's it for now, guys, for this video. So please like, subscribe, guys, if you like what you see so far. And Cardi guys is out for now. Alright, no respect.